How to change the display language in Obsidian. So by default, Obsidian uses the language of your operating system, but you can change it manually. Simply go to your settings at the bottom, then navigate to General. In the top section you will find here Language drop-down menu, and click on it and select the language which you want. There are many of them. So for example, Czech, and Obsidian will ask you to restart the app for the change to take effect. So hit relaunch, and when it opens again, the entire interface will be in the language you picked. That's the whole thing. It's one of the simpler settings to change. If you want to change it back, you can go back to gear icon, and here is language, and you can change it back to English or whatever you want, but you have to relaunch the app, clicking here, and it's back to English or back to language which was before. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.